Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp AI Smart Reply feature. So WhatsApp AI Smart Reply feature includes using Meta AI to draft, rewrite messages via voice or text, and AI-powered business tools for automated context-aware responses. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp. Then you want to simply go ahead and tap on Ask with Meta AI right over here. And now this is where you can simply go ahead and ask them help with anything. You can type a message and tap and hold it, and then select the AI option, often a pencil or a sparkle icon, to rewrite or change the tone to professional. Or you could also dictate something. For example, hi, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp AI Smart Reply feature. Now, what I can do is simply go ahead and tell it to change this to a more formal tone. And then I can simply go ahead and click on the send button. And as you can see, it is going to give me a response just like that. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.